Hey guys, today I have an unboxing for you of the Apple wireless keyboard, also called the Apple Bluetooth keyboard. Got this thing for my birthday. It normally runs $69 at your Apple retail store or online. So yeah, let's unbox this. Get your handy dandy paper clip because I couldn't find my knife. But no need. Apple packaging is really easy to open. Take off the nice wrapping. There we go. Okay. Flip top box, so it just pops right open. And let's see if I can get a clean view of it. There we go. There's the Apple Bluetooth keyboard. So presented right there. And I gotta tilt it. There we go. Comes right out. Really lightweight. Got the wrapping on it. What else is in the box? Apple wireless keyboard manual. Probably quick start guide too on how to pair it up. Does it come with Apple stickers? No, it doesn't. Alright. That's a bummer. Anyways, is there anything else in the box? Does it even come with batteries? I don't even... Batteries, so... Let's check that out actually. Alright, so let's see if it actually has batteries. So there it is, nice and shiny and good, good, good. I think the batteries are actually in it. That's what it feels like. Let me find a coin. Here we go. Take that off. Alright, so it does come with batteries. So, I don't even need to put in batteries. Energizer Advanced, if you guys were wondering. But... And that is the unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was pretty simple. Thank you for watching, and thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys...